We talk football SA. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0. Mashonisa, my brother, you look smiling. I'm not sure if you're smiling or crying. Which one is it?
I know, I'm smiling, I'm very very happy.
Yeah.
Sijabulile futhi injabulo nje namhlanje kubanda kunjalo uyabona to us ihlathi zivakazele izindlebe ngoba sijabulile sithola 3 point. Into vele sisuse emakhaya mina ngisuka eMpumalanga branch yami Berdekopo eMpumalanga Province under Grisebandis region. We talk football. Let's talk football. Football but namhlanje sijabulile. Last week besingajabulanga. Ngamaphutha futhi enziwe ithina futhi namhlanje sizamile ukwalungisa lawo maphutha lokhu njani sazama ukumaintain amaphutha eswenzile ukuthi anciphe sikhona futhi nokuthi sikhona uku-encounter yona isikhukhune sishayile and isikhukhune vele sona siyasihlupha lapho nalapho but kudepend ukuthi ubani umqeqeshi ngaleso sikhathi kodwa ke namhlanje sithola ukuthi umuntu esimaziyo ama-player amazi ukuthi ukazi ugijima kanjani nathi sizobe sesiyakuye ukuthi hamba kanjani manje ngakho ukuthi sijabulele u-3 point. Come to the game, i-game beyihle flowing. First half bengekho Kaizer Chiefs, second half yabuya Kaizer Chiefs. Ibuyile Kaizer Chiefs yenza izinto zabo senzeka. Kodwa into engidumasile langa lihle phili abaningi bamshayela izandla. Mina ngeke ngize ngishayela izandla ngiphili ngoba uma ibamba ibhola uqonde ekhoneni. Lokho kusitshela khona kuye ekhoneni uyokwenzani ngoba sifuna ukuthi thina siface i-defense, siface ama-striker ukuze thina ke sikhona ukuthi ke na si-defeat iqembu esilenzayo. So ingakho into esifisayo ukuthi siyiqembu sijabulele ukuthi swatholile amagoli. Sijabulele ukuthola u-3 point. Kodwa into engasiphathanga kahle yiko ukuthi ke na lawo magoli siwashaye mase sekwenze njani. Mele sibuke ukuthi amagoli siwashaye uma isimo under pressure nathi sibalandise sishaya ukuthi singasuka emakhaya sigodola sizele i-draw. No akusijabulisanga konke lokho kodwa ke into singayisho ukuthi yes iKaizer Chiefs idlalini. Luke Batman is not a attacking midfielder. Luke Batman it's a striker to me. Simthenga a strike. So why singamnezi position yakhe as a striker? But ikuthola ukuthi kena i-coach ngendlela emcabangela khona ithi yena uyi-attacking midfielder akusi attacking midfield. Siyafisa ukuthi noNdlovu uma ngake alungise lawo maphutha umdlalo omuhle uNdlovu ngiyamjabulele. Kule game esiyakuye uyadingeka uNdlovu.
Funeka insizwa la.
Indlovu uyinsizwa bese sofaka kakhulu inyawo azenze ukatsande. Lokho kuyosithikilenza ukuthi ngenzeka sithola ama red card. Sundowns benefiting team. Akufuneki kumaya lapha bese sezenza ama mistake ngebenefiting team. Ngoba iSundowns uma siya kuyo kufuna ukuthi sibe conscious. Sibe siyazi ukuthi Sundowns akusili iqembu ukuthi na wenza amaphutha kakhulu. Ngoba orefi ngathi basepocketeni le Sundowns. Baya benefitisa Sundowns. Buka look last game Sundowns benefited. Sundowns has get a goal in the offside. But if ever bekungabe ku-fair referee ne-last man no bekungabe ukuthi ujudge for offside lapha but azange baze bayijudge le offside. So Sundowns is a benefiting team this past season but sibongile last season ukuthi kube khona aba few referees out of 20 referees 7 referees they were being fair against Sundowns games. They were giving the fair results to him. But when you get Sundowns winning the game, it means they are benefiting. They started to benefit. The Sundowns not winning the league fair, but they are benefiting to the referees. I don't know because Mtsipe has controlling the football in Africa. That's why they're making him to be happy. So we are going to Sundowns, Mshonishwa, on Saturday.
Are you ready?
We are ready, but can Sundowns benefit to the referees? If not benefiting, we can win the game. But you can attest on Saturday that did Sundowns win the game fair against Kaizer Chiefs? You'll be saying to yourself. That's why I'm saying.
No, we'll be here. We'll be here.
That's why I'm saying to you, Sundowns is a benefiting team. So. But well, let's give him the chance, the referees the chance. But they must look themselves at how did Sundowns win the games. Because the first game they win in the league, but they were benefiting. When Kaizer Chiefs started to win the league, they can pinpoint the refs. There's an offside, there's a what. We win fair even today. First game we win fair. But Sundowns, first game, they benefited.
So, who is your man of the match today?
I don't know because they said I love Luke Batman. I love him. Number 2 is Brendan Peterson because of the clean sheet.
One of the two.
Yeah, one of the two. I go with them. But thank you for Brendan Peterson because I was behind to him. I was keep on shouting to him, don't forget your pole. Don't go forward. Don't leave your pole. You costed us. He just looked at me and came back and see me and came back to his pole. That to me was making to be happy. That Brendan Peterson is listening to us as supporters, even to his coaches. I'm so tech. We're talking football. Thank you, my brother. It's the first time to talk to your show. Next week I'll be here talking to your show again.
Sibonga kakhulu baba. Saturday.
On Saturday.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sibonga kakhulu.
Then we talk football. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.